Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to a University of Tampa account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type ut.edu and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of University of Tampa. You can scroll down and look at all the things provided, but right now we only want to log in. So let's focus on that. Right here on the top right section of the screen, you will find something called as Tools. Simply click on it. Then a drop down will open, stating many things like MyUTampa, directory, and others. Simply click the first option, that is MyUTampa. Click on it. You will then be redirected to this page. Here you will find the login button that is highlighted in red. Simply click on it. Now you will be redirected to the login page. Simply enter your username and password. In case you face any problems while signing in, click on this button right here that says need help signing in, and then you will again be able to access your account. Simply enter your credentials. Once everything is okay, simply click on the sign in button right here and you will be redirected to your University of Tampa account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to MyUTampa. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.